Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Jewel, and we're learning all about Thanksgiving, and our centers this month will be around Thanksgiving and being thankful. And so this week you're going to look at this one, and it's called Thankful Syllables. And we worked on this last week, and I tried to have you do two different things, which I found out to be a little confusing. So we're going to just take it one, we're going to do syllables this week, and then next week we'll practice just writing the words. So your directions say, I can say the word on the card and count the syllables. Color a roll for each syllable and write the word. That's your direction. So remember, syllables is where we count. So if I said turkey, I would say turkey. That was two syllables, so I would color in two rolls. So what I want you to do is I'm going to pause for a moment, and I want you to get out your sheet that looks like this, your board, and let's say your orange crayon. Okay, so you're going to need your orange crayon, you're going to need your paper that looks like this, and your board. Ready? Quietly move, and I'm going to count to 10, and let's be back together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. So you have your orange crayon, your board, and a paper. So I'm going to take the cards that you have, and I'm going to just draw one. So I drew this one, and it's pilgrim. Pilgrim. So let's count those syllables. Ready? Pilgrim. How many syllables? 2. So I'm going to look for my number 6, and I'm going to color 2 rolls because there were 2 syllables in pilgrim. So I colored 2 syllables. I colored 2 rolls because syllables, it had 2 syllables. Blech. I colored 2 rolls because I heard 2 syllables. And then I'm going to write the word under it. So the word was pilgrim. So I'm going to write the word pilgrim. So I colored 2 rolls for the 2 syllables, and I wrote the word pilgrim. Y'all do that. You're writing the word pilgrim. Okay, so I've done that one, so I'm going to put it over to the side. So I'm going to move to my next card, and my next card is my favorite, pumpkin pie. So let's count those syllables, okay? Ready? Pumpkin pie. How many did you hear? That's right, 3. I heard 3 too. And look at the number on this one. It has the number 3. So I'm going to look for number 3 on my paper. You look for number 3 on your paper and color 3 rolls. 1, 2, 3. So I colored 3 rolls for number 3. And now I'm going to write the word pumpkin pie under number 3. So I'm writing pumpkin pie. You write pumpkin pie too. It's a big word, so you might have to write real small. I'm actually having to erase and rewrite it. So I wrote pumpkin pie underneath number 3 because that number was the number 3. Okay. All right, so let's go on to the next one. And I'm going to stop for a second and see if I can find a different marker. Maybe one that's a little sharper so I can write a little neater. So let's try this one. So we got pumpkin pie. All right, let's look at our next one. The next one is Native American. Native American. So let's count those syllables. Ready? Native American. Whoa, that was a lot. Let's do that one again. Native American. How many did you hear? That's right, I heard 6 too. So find the number 5 and color in 6 rolls because I heard 6 sounds, 6 syllables too. So for number 5, I colored in 6 rolls, and I wrote the word Native American underneath it. So I'm going to hold it up so you can write the word Native American, and I'm going to write Native American on my paper. Okay. So I colored in 6 rolls and I wrote the word Native American. Now when we finish, you may have to go back and write your words if I'm going too fast. So let me draw out my next one. The next one is cornucopia. Say that with me. Cornucopia. Now let's count those syllables. Cornucopia. All right, let's do it again. Cornucopia. All right, I'm going to count them in my head because I want to make sure I said all the syllables. Cornucopia. How many did you hear? 5. I heard 5 too. So find the number 2 and color in 5 rolls. And then underneath it, you can write the word cornucopia. So I colored in, for number 2, I colored in 5 rolls and I wrote the word cornucopia. Now let's take a minute and let's look at our other words just in case you don't know what they say. So this one says pumpkin, corn, Mayflower. This is not a ship, it's called Mayflower. Carrots, gravy, Thanksgiving, cranberries, and turkey. So I want you to let the leader in your group draw one out. Y'all say the syllables together, count the syllables, and then color in the rolls for each syllable you hear and write the word at the bottom. Good luck, have fun, and if you finish early, get out your AR book, help a neighbor, or turn your paper over on the back and write your high frequency words, your number words, your color words, your numbers on the back. Also, you can look in the bottom of your bucket if you get confused, and there's an answer sheet at the very bottom. And so when you're finished, look at the answer sheet and check your work and make sure you did it right. I can't wait to see all that good counting and all those good work that you guys are going to do. And I know you're going to do a great job.